Oh,
Hey there. Is Redneck there? Can I speak with him?
yeah. Give me 1 second, okay?
Okay.
Hey, honey.
Yeah,
Blake's on the phone for you.
like from Real Talk.
Yeah.
It's April Fool's is over. Don't be messing with me right now.
I'm being serious with you right
Blake is on
now.
the phone.
He is on the phone. I'm looking right at him.
Well, let me see what he might want.
Okay.
Let's see.
Here.
Blake, it's you.
Hey man. Probably wasn't expecting a phone call from me today.
No, I wasn't. What can I do for you?
And yeah. Well, I just was. Man, I just got thinking, and I thought it'd be really cool if you and your team came to the CFMOTO Takeover event, man.
You know what, man? I hate to say it, but that sounds like a fun time. I'm gonna have to get my team and load them up, and let's come.
Man, I know our people, my viewers, your viewers, probably gonna find this hard to believe. But
Yeah.
man, I'm just ready to get together and ride and have a good time.
Yeah, me too. Sounds like it's about time for that. I'm gonna have a meeting with my team tomorrow, and we'll get them all on board, and we'll get out there. It's a long drive. Let's have some fun together, brother.
It is a long drive, but I think it'll be worth it. We're gonna have a great time.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I think we need to tell all of our people about it, dude.
We will.
Okay. All right. Well, let's do that, man. I'll talk to you soon.
All right, sounds good.
All right, buddy.
All right, bye. Well, guys, you heard it. R.N.G Performance and Team is going to the CFMOTO Takeover event in May.
Yeah, May 2nd.
May 2nd, we will be there to CFMOTO Takeover, and we invite you and your fellow friends and riders and family to come out and ride with us and ride with Blake at Real Talk Power Sports with Team MSC over there. We're going to get together and we're going to have a good time, and we're going to see just what these CF Motos is all about. And to me, these CF Motos is all about family, friends, and good times. And that's what we're fitting to do. That's exactly what we're going to do. So come on out and join us, guys. My team is super excited about this. We've been talking to Blake for a while now, and we've all decided it's time. It's time to ride together. It's time to have fun together. And it's time we all join up and meet with you guys and have a great time. And you know what? I hear the pulled pork is pretty good in Mississippi. So you know what's about to be going down when I show up to town. I'm going to get me a pulled pork sandwich. And Mark, my boy, you be eating them pulled pork sandwiches while I'm on the phone with you all the time. You be smacking them lips in my ear. It's time for me to come smack mine in yours. I'm getting me a pulled pork sandwich, brother. Blake, it was good talking to you, brother. We'll see you down there in Mississippi in what, 3 weeks?
It's a little closer than that, actually. It's coming quick.
Yeah, May 2nd.
Yeah, May 2nd. It's coming quick.
It's coming quick.
Yep.
All right, guys. Peace out. God bless. See you out on the trails. Come join us down in Mississippi.